Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I appreciate you joining me. Well, have you ever crawled behind your desk? You've been digging around for the power strip behind there. You're trying to unplug something, you pull one of these out, and then you lose power to the item that you didn't want to lose power to, and what you did want to unplug is still plugged in, and definitely is a giant pain, and probably has driven you crazy more than one time in your life. So there's a very simple trick you can do for organizing this so you know exactly which one of these go to. And oddly enough, it can be found in the bread or cracker aisle at your local grocery store. Just a simple bag like this can help you out with the organization problem with that. And you're kind of curious, Curtis, how does that work? That's very interesting. Well, it's very simple. It's by taking this tab off the top. What you can do is take this tab off the top and very simply just label them. So all I did was I created a couple of these before. So this first one is for a phone. We've got another one labeled headset. Another one for a monitor. And lastly, another one for a computer. So what we can do is go to our power strip now. We can just go ahead and tab and connect these to each one of our cables that we have on our power strip. I'm going to go ahead and just connect these real quickly. All right, and now you see when I hold them up, each one of these are going to be tabbed, and inside of them, it's going to tell me which one is for the headset, which one is for my phone, which power cord is for my monitor, and which one is for my computer. That way, the next time you go crawling behind your desk trying to figure out which one is which, it's easily going to be found by yourself to be able to pull the power to the right one and help you stay more organized and cause less frustration the next time you have to go digging for the right cable behind your desk. Hope that helps you out. If you do have any further questions or need any further assistance with your computers, feel free to give us a phone call. Our phone number here is 719-439-0599, or you can find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We will see you next time, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.